Do you want to know how to fix Instagram notes features not showing? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes in this process. So, first of all, make sure that your Instagram is opened up. And if I click on my profile into the bottom right of the screen here, and if I click on the messages on onto the top right here, you can see this option here which says leave a note. So if I click on this plus icon here, I will type hello and I will like click share. So now this message will be shared to all of my friends on Instagram for 24 hours. Okay, so this is just like a WhatsApp status. So if you are not seeing this notes option here, what you can do is, first of all, you will go into the Play Store, open up the Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone, and search for Instagram. And if there is any update available to the application, you should update your application by clicking on this update option here. Okay, so this is the first fix. And if this still does not help you, then what should you do actually? You will click on your profile image onto the bottom right, then you will click on these three lines onto the top right, and then you will click on settings, then you will click on help, and then you will click on report a problem, and then you will click on report problem without shaking, and then include and continue, and then you have to type something like this hello ins- Instagram uh, notes feature is not showing in my account, please fix this issue ASAP. And then you have to click on this send option here, and when you click on this send option here, the Instagram team will like actually contact you uh, i- in a day or two, and they will actually solve your problem. So that's how to fix Instagram notes which are not showing. So we hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.